question that I get all the time is, what's going to happen when we apply for a mortgage so we can buy a house? Like, what are the steps there? What is the loan officer going to ask me? Like, what's going to be required? So I wanted to shoot a video about that and just kind of give everyone kind of like what's going on in today's market. Because if you bought a house maybe, let's say 5 years ago, 10 years ago, and you're buying another house this time of year, mortgage like rules and guidelines have changed over the years. So, but the application is pretty much remains the same. So they're going to ask you, a lot of personal information, social security number, date of birth, how many children you have that are going to be living at the house, how many do you support, your current address. Then they get into more of like your employment history. And so the employment history is super important. Like, this is something that they're going to research and double check. So whatever you tell the loan officer, the file gets double checked over and over to the point where they're going to complete the application, whether you completed it over the phone or online. Maybe you did an online application, and then the loan officer is going to review it. And then after that, they're going to actually send you a copy of it so you can sign it. It's super important that you're signing this stuff, but also reviewing everybody's work, and because you're putting your signature on there. So then after that, once they get the employment information down, they're going to verify all that stuff. They're going to want to know your checking account numbers. They verify the income for your employment. They're going to verify how long you've looked there. They're going to verify the amount of money that you have in your bank account, all that stuff, right? Your credit, they're going to verify all that stuff. And so they're going to check and making sure that you have active accounts, that you're currently employed. They actually run multiple verification of employments through the process. So, they're making sure not only you're working now, but right before we close the transaction, right before you close escrow, they're also verifying that as well. So there's a lot of checks that are going on. And what I find is, like, if something's left out, it's best just to go over that with the loan officer to make sure that it's not going to cause any issues once you're in escrow, because they're going to verify the verifications. They're going to verify the employment. They're going to verify the deposits, your assets. They will verify the money that's going into your account, like how much money's going in there. They're going to verify any cash deposits. So during this process, you definitely do not want to be putting cash into your account that's not seasoned. The other thing that you want to stay away from is running credit reports, like applying for new credit, like credit cards. It doesn't really ding you on mortgage reports because they know the difference. Like credit bureaus, they know the difference between a mortgage report versus a credit card or buying a new car. Those types of things will ding your credit, but not shopping for a mortgage. I've been doing this for a long time, and that's one of the myths out there. The myth is it harms your credit when you're applying for a home loan, and that's not true. You're gonna get a ding on your record for just applying for like a Verizon wireless account. They do a soft pull on that. So everything on that application will get verified. There is on the third page, I believe, or the fourth page of the 1003, that's called the loan application. There's a set of declarations in there. And those declarations you're going to put down, and they're going to verify some of that stuff as well. Like, have you ever defaulted on a loan? Was any part of this down payment borrowed? Have you ever filed bankruptcy? Have you ever had a foreclosure? So just make sure that you put all that stuff down accurate and double check. If you have any questions with that, if you like some more information about how to get pre-approved, give us a call at the office. Our team would love to help you out. Phone number is toll-free 888-308-4947. Again, it's toll-free 888-308-4947. Also, check out my YouTube channel. There's more tips, tricks, and ideas on how to buy a home, how to refinance, all that good stuff that goes along with it. Thanks again, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.